In this question, it is given that let Z1 equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equal to 3 plus 4i, then the set S equal to Z belongs to complex number and Z satisfies this condition, then the set S represent, you have to find the correct choice. Actually, this question can be done geometrically and mathematically both, and both are equally simple. First, I am doing this question by mathematical way. Note that Z1 and Z2 are two fixed complex number. Z is a unknown complex number. The only thing is Z satisfies this condition. Let Z is equal to X plus yi, and this part means X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. This is the meaning of this part. This part means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, and this is equal to mod of z1 minus z2 means 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square. This implies that in this I use the formula of a square minus b square, and in this also I use the formula of a square minus b square, and this minus this will give you 1, and this plus this will give you 2x minus 5. This minus this will give you 1, and this plus this will give you 2y minus 7 equal to 1 plus 1. That is, I get 2x plus 2y equal to 14. That is x plus y equal to 7. That is, the point xy satisfies this condition, and clearly this is the equation of a line having graph. This length is 7 and this length is also 7, and this line is, and x intercept is 7, y intercept is 7. Hence I can say first choice is the correct choice, because in this choice it is given that sum of the intercept on the coordinate axis is equal to 14. Hence I can say first choice is the correct choice. Otherwise, if I want to do this question geometrically, clearly this can be written as mod of z minus z1 whole square equal to mod of z minus z2 whole square plus mod of z1 minus z2 whole square. According to the given condition, z1 is 2 plus 3i, that is 2 plus 3i is somewhere here. Z2 is 3 plus 4i. 3 plus 4i is somewhere here, which satisfies this condition. Suppose this point is A and this point is B, and suppose Z is the complex number of the point P. P is somewhere here. According to the condition, PA square is equal to PB square plus AB square. Obviously, this is possible only if this angle is 90, and for any position of P on this line, this condition will be satisfied because of Pythagoras theorem. That is, locus of Z will be this line, which will be passing through the point 3, 4 and perpendicular to this line. This line clearly has slope 1, therefore this line will have slope minus 1, and it is passing through the point 3, 4. Hence the equation of this line will become y minus 4 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 3, that is x plus y equal to 7 is the equation of this line, and clearly this is the equation of line. As I told in the previous way, this has sum of the intercept equal to 14. Hence I can say first choice is the correct choice.